The price of Terra Luna Classic could reach zero if it continues to move in the incorrect direction. Based on data from September 18, 2023, the consensus sentiment regarding Terra Classic price predictions is bearish. Due to LUNC's bullish period over the past week, Terra Classic investors have seen returns of over 1.31 on their investments. Based on an analysis of the technical indicators for LUNC, we anticipate a slight correction in the coming days. Currently, all indicators are indicating a bearish zone, and the Fear and Greed Index shows 35 points for three extreme fears. According to our forecast, now is not the time to sell Terra Classic as the market recovers from the crypto winter. We anticipate that Terra Classic will reach a high of 0.00105 and a low of 0.007 as the market recovers. The average price will hover around $0.0088, despite the fact that the L1 Terra Classic Task Force L1TF developer group recently upgraded the core of the LUNC network. The Vita point-to-point one-core upgrade to Luna Classic is a significant step toward reconstructing the ecosystem. The upgrade occurred on September 12 at 10:15 Universal Time coordinated at block height 14,514,000 Vita to. One core upgrade includes new features such as Cosmos SDK integration and the transition of Tendermint to CoMETBFT. IBC moved to V6 and did not include governance tools such as splitting the burn tax. The move was aided by continued support from Binance, which facilitated a relatively smooth transition for LUNC trading. Analysis of the LUNC price is Terra Luna Classic going to zero. Despite a significant upgrade to the core network, the LUNC price hasn't changed much. The asset is currently selling at 0.0005810, which is a plus 0.8% change in 24 hours. This follows a minus 7% weekly move, and price action is beginning to move away from the descending 20-day moving average as it gets closer to the upper trend line of the bearish trade channel. Technical analysis indicates that LUNC is likely to decline in the near future, as there is insufficient fundamental support to sustain a breakout. The price of Terra Luna Classic remains well below its 200-day moving average, which, despite decreasing, is still quite high at 95 cents. LUNC's indicators indicate that the price is oversold with a number of 30 for 0.36 on the RSI and a strong 0.000 to 3 on the MICT. Divergence overall price movement is in a poor position. It is stuck below the 20-day moving average and has lost 80% since November. Despite the fact that LUNC's development teams are diligent and technical indicators are positive, the project's market position is weak, so it is likely to continue falling. Therefore, Luna Classic should strive for 0.000615 plus 5.72%. If this occurs, LUNC could get support from the 20-day moving average and break out of the descendant trade channel. However, if there is a downside risk, the price could drop to 0.0005 to 5.10, which would be an all-time low. This gives Terra Luna Classic a risk-to-reward ratio of 0.57, which is a bad start because downside risk is more likely to occur. However, LUNC might not go to zero for a while, and smart investors have already in 2024. Our algorithm forecasts that Terra Classic's price will peak at $0.00163, while averaging $0.001 for the year. If a bear market occurs, the minimum price LUNC seeking will reach in 2024 is $0.128. In 2025, we anticipate Terra Classic's price to experience significant growth as crypto gains recognition in many business sectors. As a result, the price could reach as high as $0.000 to $2.20, averaging $0. Terra Classic could reach a minimum price of $0.0187 if capital continues to grow in the cryptocurrency market. Terra Classic could reach a maximum price of $0.0028 in 2026, with an average price of $0.000 to $63 if a sell-off occurs. Terra Classic can claim a maximum price of 0.00339 by 2027 with an average price of 0.003 to $1 expected. Furthermore, the minimum price for the same year could see 0.00030 for dollars in the year 2028. Terra Classic adoption will continue to rise with regulators beginning to accept that crypto is here to stay. Investors could LUNC reaching a minimum price of 0.00030 for dollars in the year 2028. Due to the growth over the past 5 years, the average price for 2028 is projected to be 0.0038 in 2029. This means that investors in Terra Classic may see LUNC achieve a maximum price of 0.00 for $5, followed by an average price of 0.000 for $8. According to our technical analysis, the minimal price for $2 in 2030 is $0. Based on market sentiment, LUNC is expected to continue to rise towards $0.0051. Failure to obtain support could result in Terra Classic averaging around $0 and falling to $0.000 USD in a recent turn of events. In a recent turn of events, the founders of Glassnode, who go by the name Negentropic, made an intriguing prediction about the price of Bitcoin. This prediction is more likely to be accurate because it was based on the ideas of Henrik Seeberg, a well-known dealer. The founders of Glassnode, who go by the name Negentropic, have made an intriguing prediction about the price of Bitcoin. This prediction is more likely to come true because it was based on the ideas of Henrik Seeberg, a prominent dealer. The next step is the topic of everyone's thoughts. According to Seeberg's research, we may be on the verge of a significant price increase. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it's not surprising that everyone is watching Bitcoin's path to $28,660. Within the next few days, it will become clear whether this prediction is a sign of a new growth cycle or just a temporary blip on the chart. #Bitcoin #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin. A crypto expert, Ale Martinez, recently drew attention to an important trend in Bitcoin BTC despite the fact that the price of Bitcoin has remained around $20,000.